We're at Alton Towers. If you like this video, please subscribe. This is a more up-to-date version than the last video, seeing as the Nemesis ride is now open. Last video I did, it wasn't open. So looking at the app, there is a few rides that is actually closed today. Rita, I don't think we can get on. 13, I don't think we can get on. And Wickerman, I don't think we can get on. Can't take you on ride anyway, but I can't even get off-ride shots either, so enjoy this video.
I love the Alton Towers, the palace is so pretty. Yeah, for real. Okay.
Well, at least it's running a full train today. Apparently yesterday it was only running the first 4 rows. So whatever issue there was over yesterday, at least they've sorted it for today. Wickerman has actually opened finally, with only 2 hours left of the day. But he's on approximately 75-minute wait. That's a 75-minute wait he's on at the moment.
CBeebies bugs are all asleep. But now it's time to wake them up! Get, set, go! Remember to stay seated and keep your hands, arms and legs inside the Bugmobile.
There's so much to do here at CBeebies Land. Down below is the Something Special Sensory Garden, where you can look for the things in Mr. Tumble's spotty bag. Can you see what's ahead? It's the CBeebies house! Oh no! The bugs are all fast asleep! Shout and clap as loud as you can to wake up the bugs! Wake up, bugs! Wake up! Well done, everyone! The bugs are wide awake, so let's go on our way!
What can you see? I can see all of CBeebies Land. Can you see Upsy Daisy? Why don't we give her away? Hello, Upsy Daisy! She's in the night garden with her friends Iggle Piggle and Macca Packa. What else can you see? Ah, there's Postman Pat.
I've made a mistake and mixed up all the parcels for Greendale. Would you like to come and join my special delivery service? That would be great. I'll see you later.
Can you see the CBeebies bugs painting some pictures? What do you think they're painting? What sorts of things do you like to paint? The CBeebies bugs help to look after everything that goes on in CBeebies Land. I wonder what they'll get up to next.
What happens here? It looks like this is where they mend the bookmobiles. They pump up the tyres and fill them with go-go juice, ready for their journey. Hooray! The books have topped up our bookmobile. Thank you, books. We hope you had a great journey riding the bookmobile. There's lots more to see and do in CBeebies Land. In the Big Fun Showtime area, you can meet some of your favourite CBeebies friends, like Hey Dougie, Bing, Iggle Piggle and Upsy Daisy.
Oh look! This bug has had so much fun, he's tired out. Thank you for helping us to wake the CBeebies bugs.
Sure you stay like that. I've loaded up the parcels. When we need to deliver a parcel, press the button that matches it. Oh look! There's Ajay playing with his train set. But something's missing. What can he use to pull the carriages? Well done! Ajay will be so pleased now that he has his train. Here's Farmer Ralph Thompson at Thompson Ground. He's counting his livestock. I'm waiting for a very important delivery. Looks like PC Selby has had to close the road. Darling, what's going on here? Never mind, you'll just have to take another route. These parcels must be delivered.
The graduate joiners are off towards the back of the queue line. You do recommend you try other lighting tracks to CC, QTV design. It will be able to only be
Ted Glenn is fixing my special delivery service helicopter. Looks like he needs something to help him finish the job. I wonder what it is. Great job! Ted can get on with his repairs now. It's art class today at the school, but Mira and Charlie seem to be missing something to paint with. Thanks to you, Mira and Charlie can do their painting. Just one more to go now. Here's Mrs. Goggins sorting out the Greendale mail. She's just waiting for one last letter. Mrs. Goggins has got her letter. Thank you! Another special delivery service completed. Mission accomplished.
Like our little kiddies play area in CBB's land.
So we'll need some food to make sure we don't get tired. That's right, Rolly. Have you brought any snacks with you, squirrels? Cookies and milk. Oh, yummy. We don't want a rumbling tummy when we're trying to have fun. Oh, what do you want to be happy? Water. Oh, splash, splash, splash. This water's not for splashing happy. It's for drinking.